Everyone, this is part 2 of chapter 1 of computer, that is introduction to object oriented programming concepts. This video for ICSE 9 and 10. If you are a student of ICSE 10, then it is a super duper important video for you, and if you are a student of ICSE 9, I will recommend you to go through the textbook after watching this video, as this video I have covered the definitions of class 10. Yeah, you can watch this video for understanding the basic concept, that is more important. So let's start now. Now abstraction. First is abstraction. Abstraction, hiding the complexity of program, is called abstraction, and only essential features are represented. In short, we can say that internal working is hidden. All the internal working, like this is a car. When you sit in a car, do you remember or do you think of what the car contains? No, you only sit and enjoy. Like this, that is called abstraction. So the internal working is hidden and you are only shown the outward appearance. So a car consists of 4 wheels, an engine, accumulator and brakes. So this can be a perfect example for abstraction. Now let's go through all the important things. We humans manage complexity through abstraction. Okay, so humans are managing complexity through abstraction. It means that internal representation of an object is generally hidden from view outside of the object's definition. We don't think of a music system or stereo as a set of hundreds of individual parts. Do you think? No, you only play the song and dance. We don't think of it. We think of it as an object with its unique behavior. Abstraction denotes a simple representation for an actual item. So this is the definition which ICSE 10 students have to learn. A way to manage abstraction is to use hierarchical classification. This is also important. Now let's go with inheritance. Inheritance is a process by which one object acquires the properties of another object. This property allows creation of new class which makes use of whatever an existing class has and defines additional properties with it. One of the benefits of inheritance, using inheritance, is if you use a code once, it can be reused. So this is one benefit of inheritance. This can be asked, what is base class and derived class? So base class is the class whose property is acquired, and derived class is the class in which the property of base class is acquired. This is important. Base class is also known as superclass, main class, parent class, and derived class is also known as extended class, subclass, child class. Like this you can remember. Now we naturally view the world as made up of objects that are related to each other in hierarchy. For example, consider your school. Each student in the school has attributes like name, age, class, behavior such as eating, studying, jumping, etc. Like that is called as inheritance. Now polymorphism. After hearing the word polymorphism, you must be thinking, what is polymorphism? This is the perfect definition for it. Polymorphism is the capability of an interface to do different things based on the data of different types it accepts and gives the desired output accordingly. This is a must-learn definition. This definition is also for 9th standard, I think. Yes, it is. So this definition, both the classes can learn. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the capability of an interface to do different things based on the data of different types it accepts and gives the desired output accordingly. Now we will see one example of polymorphism. For example, I would like to give, when you are sitting in a classroom of your school, you behave like a student, and when you are in a market, you behave like a customer. You can see the man is doing all the works at different places. Like in a supermarket, he is a customer. In his office, he is the boss. In his family, he is a family member. Like this, he does different types of behavior. He has different types of behavior. For example, as I told, classroom, you behave like a student. When you are in a market, you behave like a customer. When you are at a home, you behave like a son or daughter. So one person presents different behaviors in different places or environments. So this can be the perfect example for polymorphism. Now, encapsulation. Encapsulation is the hiding of data implementation. This is the definition of encapsulation for ICSE 10 and ICSE 9. As I told you, you have to go through with your textbook and learn the definitions. But you can understand the concept very well from this video. Encapsulation is the hiding of data implementation. It means that internal representation of object is generally hidden from view outside of the object's definition. Like we say a car, but we don't say model, speed, what is its speed, its engine, speed limit, drive, stop, all this we don't say. We only say this is a car. So that the internal representation of object is generally hidden from view outside of the object's definition. Basically, encapsulation can be said as a wrapper which prevents code and data from being accessed by any other code defined outside the wrapper. You can see encapsulation is a wrapper of methods, variables, and this both makes the class. So encapsulation in Java. Thank you. In next video, we will be seeing elementary concepts of objects and classes and much more. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we have seen all the OOP principles, that is object oriented programming principles, and I hope you all understood it well. So hit the like button if you understood it, so I will get to know that you have understood it properly. And also subscribe to my channel for more computer subjects videos and all the videos of ICSE 10 and motivational video every Saturday. And press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my video first. That is free to subscribe and press the bell icon. So do that. Thank you all.